This is another free tool. It is called the Print-on-Demand Profit Calculator. And in this tool, simply hit the Fill Example button. This will populate these values with certain example values. And on the right side, you will see the result. We have got the breakdown of all these values. For example, here, net profit is $8. Product cost, $35. And out of total cost, it is this way distributed. You will see everything. You will also see margin breakdown. And here you will be seeing the formulas being used in this tool. And other information how to use this tool is also given here. By the way, I'm building this PinFlow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization, so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI, which Pinterest board these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.